never get tired of seeing this. Yeah, I never get tired of walking into this hotel lobby.
The music, the smells, the decor.
The smell. We got to find a candle like this. So there's a candle company called Bose. They're out of Disney Springs in the Marketplace Co-op. And they sell all the scents that look, or I'm sorry, scents that smell like the various resorts and attractions around Disney World.
Yeah, this is a stunning lobby.
Which we're gonna walk around and we'll show you
Yeah.
all the other features of this awesome resort.
We love it.
Yes, 10 out of 10. Still, like Paige said, I have a hard time believing this is still a moderate. This is hard to believe this is a moderate resort. This feels
this
deluxe.
Is very well done.
I mean, personally, I like the contemporary, but this is way nicer.
I would stay here than the contemporary any day.
And the contemporary is considered a deluxe.
Which I think is purely at this point purely on the location.
Because it's on the monorail loop and you can see Magic Kingdom. But
I'd stay here any day.
Oh yeah, most definitely. So this
is where you check in if you don't do mobile check-in on My Disney Experience.
Much easier to do mobile check-in. It saves you a lot of steps, especially if you're arriving after a long plane trip and bus ride. You want to just get to your hotel room and relax.
Oh, my legs.
What's the matter? Oh, the little bar is open here. There we go.
Yeah,
so you can see
you could like pause it.
Yeah. You can get an idea how big this resort is. So apparently before this was built, you'd have to walk all the way around. So this is where we're heading. We're going this way towards Villa del Lago. So this walkway also is brand new when this tower opened up. So you can kind of walk over to some of the other areas without having to go outside. I know this is like the 4th time I've said this, but I absolutely love this reveal, how you come in through here. And this little glass spherical thing here. It looks like there's floating balls, but when you get a side of it, it's actually just completely flat. That was the neatest thing ever. And then you got the lamps with the Mickeys on them. I want one of these for our home.
I just like that filigree look.
Yeah. The what?
It's like filigree, that style.
We got a little whiff of like Mexico Pavilion right here.
Yeah, because they have, what's it called? Maya down here too.
Yep.
In the water.
Yeah.
I think they're only open as well.
So, we got Panchitos here, and then this is Café Rix. This is a good place to stop for some breakfast. Oh, yeah, we were looking at these last night.
We'll do that. Yes,
chocolate croissant.
Oh, you want to split one with me?
Sure. The Homer Simpson donut.
Yeah. They're Donut King donuts. Donut King's in Claremont.
Is it?
Yeah. Hello!
So in Café Rix, you can also get some gelato because it's never too early for a good gelato.
Grab and go.
Yeah.
Awesome things. Time for caffeine.
Mm-hmm. Which is one of my favorite features of the Walt Disney Resort right here. Joffrey's. This is my jam right here. Perfect backdrop. So
we have caffeine.
Yes.
And breakfast.
Much needed. I'm gonna try one of these chocolate croissants that we got from the Café Rix over here. So, gonna relax a little bit, enjoy this nice setting. All right, breakfast is done. That was really good. So we're gonna stop in here at Panchitos and see if we can't take some, see what we can bring home. I do like their shirts a lot. And
I wish they were
coasters.
all like this.
Oh yeah, with the tile.
Yeah.
I love that coffee mug.
That big. Oh, that one's a little bit bigger.
That's really nice.
Yeah. Hand wash only. Deal breaker.
Yeah. Oh, I kind of like that shirt.
I do too.
That's
$20. That's not bad.
They're all small. Dang it.
Oh,
Some
cool.
Coco merch. Oh, what do we got here?
Habanero hot sauce.
Oh, that's cool. These are cool. They have all of the like Spanish tile print.
And the plates.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a whole collection. Oh,
34.
yep. A little bowl. These are super cute.
I like the Mickey prints on the
Yeah.
outsides. Goofy's candy. Yeah, right here. Yeah, all of this stuff is insanely good.
I like these ones. Are these the ones?
Yeah, the sour gummies.
No,
Yep.
I like those. The ones that are like the Mike-and-Ike.
Oh yeah. So this is all of our hotel room soap and conditioner and lotions. This is everything. If you really liked what you had in the room, you can bring this home
This
with you.
is the one that we have
Yeah.
at home that we, oh, well, no, that's the conditioner.
There is a lotion,
Yep.
sea marine lotion. Oh, the sea salt body wash is what we had last night in the that we used after the pool. That was really nice. So one thing with me, I absolutely love these Disney pins. I have a pretty decent collection at home, and now that things are slowly returning back to normal, I want to start pin trading again. Actually, I shouldn't say again. I've never done it to start, but I want to get started. It looks like a lot of fun because I'm trying to get a collection of the Epcot pins that you can't find in here. And the other thing I'm a big fan of are these box pins, where you get two basically. Like this one, there's two pins in there, and then if you try to complete the set, you can pin trade for the other ones. This is kind of a cool looking effect on the camera.
Oh, cool.
Very neat.
I think it's
So this is casitas.
okay. Casitas are beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, there's a fountain over here. I love fountains. We both actually do. Oh, this is really nice. Look at this.
This is beautiful.
Isn't it though? Yeah. Oh wow, I love this.
Oh, cool. Very neat.
I like the purple trees.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
So this is casitas too. Oh, this is beautiful in here. Look at it. I had no idea this was even here.
This is very like romantic-y.
Wow. So you can see where we are now as far as orientation. There's the Gran Destino Tower where we've been staying, and now we're on the furthest end of the resort now. So we're on the other side now. This is where we were yesterday.
I go this way or that way?
We'll go around.
Probably a bunch.
Oh, so we're heading towards Ranchos and the Cabanas.
Yeah, I feel like this over here is the farthest point away.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay. Yeah, I stand corrected. I thought we were at the furthest point. We're actually getting a little farther away now. So Ranchos is back here.
Casitas and Cabanas.
So this is really well landscaped back here. But like Paige pointed out, you are very far away
from
out
the
here.
Restaurants.
You would need to get a complimentary golf cart.
Landscaping's cool.
I love the landscaping, especially these rock gardens here.
This is so far away. I didn't even realize this was all back here. I thought we were gonna like go past the dig site and those other ones over to the other side where the ranch is. I had no idea this was back here.
All the way back there yet.
Oh, cactuses! Cacti. This is cool.
Wow. Look at it, it keeps going all the way back here.
Yeah, there's a bus. Yeah.
Wow.
There's a housekeeping car.
We're still walking. Oh, there's another pool back here. Ah. So we're still in the Ranchos area.
It's a nice walk though.
Yeah. It's beautiful. I like how they have the pool themed. They have a laundry room in case you need to do any laundry. Oh, this is really cool.
Yeah, I like that it's set up into the rocks.
Yeah, it's not just thrown, you know, they didn't just throw a pool in. Yeah, look at how pretty this is.
Oh, this is beautiful.
So here's a map. Oh, here's the, we are here. And there's the tower.
Gran Destino.
Right over here. So we're working our way back over to this. So we take this path. This should, oh yeah.
Oh, we're good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I thought you had a drink in your... Oh, no.
Yeah, look at all the bus stops. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
This is a huge property.
But like this is so tucked away. Because here, like when you're looking from the tower, you see the casitas, you see the cabanas, but this
you don't see this at all.
Yeah.
So we're on the other side of the water slide right over there. That was a fun slide.
That was cute.
I like that. Yep, it's right over there. This is,
Coming up on the cabanas.
yep. This is the dig site. This is the main swimming pool area. This has all
They've
the
got
fun
a lot
stuff.
of stuff there. They have the pool, the hot tub, the slide,
Yeah.
playground, kiddie pool,
Arcade.
oh, the siestas, bar, volleyball.
And then these are the cabanas over on this side. Cabana. You can smell the chlorine. And there's
Yeah, we
the
just
tower.
made a big lap around.
Yep. These are really nice for when it cools off a little bit throughout the day or evenings. They got these hammocks out here.
After the sun goes down.
Yeah. So we're coming up on the 4th pool now. This is the Cabanas pool. I'm a fan of this one, and I'm going to tell you why in a minute. It's simple, but it reminds me of the hotel pools when we used to travel as a family to Cedar Point or Kings Island in Ohio when we were younger. The Holiday Inns we'd stay at have pools look just like this. Reminds me of
Nostalgia.
reminds me of those good times we had. That was back before all the fancy water slides they have now and everything. We just had a pool. So here we are, back at the Gran Destino Tower. This is pretty awesome, this whole resort.
I love this. I love the tower, but I'm curious to stay in one of the other ones too to see how it compares.
We're gonna have to do that and come back and stay at any one of them would be really nice. Sadly, we're wrapping up our stay here at Coronado. This has been an awesome experience.
I loved it. I would definitely stay here again.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't even do any parks. We were looking for more of a relaxing staycation, and it was awesome. We really enjoyed the pool, walking around the resort. Room was great, view was great.
Yeah, this is one of the first times that we've come to the Disney resort, and we didn't go to any parks.
Yeah.
We literally relaxed this weekend, so. And even though we're, 25, 30 minutes from home, it literally felt like we were far away on vacation.
Yeah, it was
very
so nice. Much needed relaxation break.
And now, also with rates falling and attendance is down a little bit, so as long as things stay a little cheaper, we may be able to do this a little more often and show you all the different hotels.
We feel like there might be a few weeks, maybe about a month and a half, really, between now and the 50th anniversary, where wait times hopefully will continue to be low at the parks. Rates are a little bit less expensive at the resort, so we're going to take advantage of it while we can.
Absolutely.
This was awesome.
Yes. So we're heading home to relax. It's another hot day, so if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe. Again, we're growing. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed, and we got a lot more planned.
We'll see you soon.
All right.
Bye.